for 4 marks. Number of times we got these questions in the examination for 4 marks. Transmission of heat. Heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature under three processes. Heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature under 3 processes. The 3 processes are: number 1, thermal conduction. First one is thermal conduction. The second one is thermal convection. And the third one is thermal radiation. What is the first one? Thermal conduction. Second one is thermal convection. The third one is thermal radiation. Okay. Now, first, thermal conduction. Now, what is the meaning of thermal conduction? Heat always transferred from high temperature to low temperature. Heat transferred from high temperature to low temperature without change the position of particles in the media is called thermal conduction. Means in the media, every media consisting particles. Media means solids, liquids and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. These three has the particles. But in the thermal conduction, particles not changes their position but transmit the heat from high temperature to low temperature. This process is occurred in which substances? In the solids. In the solids, heat is transferred by this process. Let us take, it is a solid. If you give the heat energy, in this one the particles receive the heat energy, but gives the energy to another particle. That particle gives energy to another particle, but particle not changes their position. Particles never change their position when the heat is transferred in the solids. Okay, the thermal conduction process is occurred in solids. Okay, second one, thermal convection. Here also heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature. Heat transferred from high temperature to low temperature. Change of position of particles in the media is called thermal convection. Means in thermal convection what happens? Particles are changes their position. Particles are changes. Here one particle is there. This particle changes position from here to here, and from here to here, and here to here. Means the heat is transferred in liquids and gases by this process only. That's why in liquids, gases, heat is transferred by this process. Now, what is the convection? Heat is transferred from high temperature to low temperature by change the position of particles in the media is called thermal convection. Means in the convection what happens? Particle changes their position. Particles are changes their position. In that way it is transferred. This process is occurred in which substances? Solids, liquids and gases. In the solids, particles are not changes their position. It is conduction. Liquids and gases, particles are changes their position. That's why it is called convection. Right. Now the third process, thermal radiation. Conduction, solid is required. Convection, liquid and gas is required. Radiation, no media. Solid is not required. Gas is not required. Liquid is also not required. Means no need of the media. Without the media, heat is transferred from one place to another place by the process of radiation. Now, what is the radiation? Heat transmitted from high temperature to low temperature without intervention of media. media. Without intervention of the media is called thermal radiation. Means shortcut. Without the media, heat is transferred from one place to another place. Answer is yes. What is that one? Radiation. In the radiation, media is not required to transfer the heat from high temperature to low temperature. What is the example for it is? Earth receives the heat from sun. Earth receives the heat from sun by this process. Means from the sun we get the heat energy. By which process? Radiation. Okay, these are the very important questions. Shortcut. Conduction, particles not changes their position. Conduction, particles not changes their position. Example, solids. Convection, particles are changes their position. Example, liquids and gases. Third one, radiation without the medium. Example, earth receives the heat energy from sun or energy from sun to earth. These are the three very important topics in this chapter for 4 marks. And convection, separate one, 8 marks. Thermal convection important for 4 marks. It is for 8 marks. Next class we will discuss that. This is for 4. And based on the number of topics are there, we will discuss that in the next classes. Radiation, this is very important topic, and we will discuss this topic in chemistry also. In the second year we will discuss clearly about the radiation. Okay, right. How many processes are there to transfer the heat? 3 processes: conduction, convection, radiation. Shortcut. Conduction, particles are not changes their position. Example, solids. Convection, particles are changes their position. Example, liquids and gases. Radiation, without the media. Example, energy from sun to earth.